The process went on for several months with State Farm. We worked through a lot of issues. We submitted a lot of data. Josh and Phil came out with some technology that allowed them to see the true gravity of the damage that we have had done to our house by this storm. After all of that information was submitted, at the end, we ended up getting a full roof replacement from State Farm. We were delighted that our agent was able to support us through this difficult time. The roof was put on yesterday, almost a year to date from the storm. So the storm occurred back in 2022, May 4th. Here we are at the beginning of May 2023. The roof crew showed up at 6:15 a.m., crawled under our house like worker ants, and within 7 hours they had stripped the roof, applied quality materials, drip edge, state-of-the-art underlayment, and then GF shingles that are quality shingles. It was done by 4:30 in the afternoon. We've got some flashing going up right now, so it was done very quickly, and it was done so cleanly I couldn't even tell by the end of the day, after they cleaned up, that anybody had been here doing any work whatsoever. I would highly recommend Carolina Roof Consultants. They have been, from start to finish, extraordinary to work with. Attention to detail, quality products. I have recommended Carolina Roofing Consultants to all of our neighbors. When the work was being done, we had several neighbors come out asking about Carolina Roof Consultants. The sign is in the yard. They know how to get in touch with our team that did our roof. I'll continue to spread the good word about Carolina Roof Consultants. I'm a big believer.